Well guys, it's the middle of winter here in Canada. It's our son's 3rd birthday. And if you've been watching my channel for a while now, you've seen that last winter I rebuilt a 1988 Yamaha PW50. He's sitting right there for our son Nathan for his 3rd birthday, which is today. Bought this bike about 2 years ago as a box of parts. Nothing was assembled or complete at all. Didn't even really know what it was other than the PW50. So for the Broke the Built bike build contest last year through Prime MX, I put this thing together. I came into the top 32. I was pretty happy about that because I wasn't really trying to build anything pristine here, just a nice little bike for our son. He's our 3rd of 4 children, and the older 2 girls have a Honda XR50 and the PW50 over there. The XR50 I haven't really touched other than putting graphics on and new tires and stuff like that. PW50 had a full build on that one, even though it's 2017. I went over it and completely overhauled it, same as this one here. Luckily with doing that one, it gave me the experience and knowledge of these bikes, otherwise I would have had no idea how to put this thing together. But there she is. Runs good. Just wait now for our son to wake up from his nap before we can have him come out and take it for a little spin. And then probably put it away until the springtime. Poor guy.